Practice with me for 30 minutes and start speaking today. Hello, and welcome to your daily English conversation practice. I am very happy to see you here today. This lesson is designed especially for beginners. Today, we will practice simple and useful English conversations. These sentences will help you speak English confidently. Do not worry about making mistakes. Mistakes are a natural part of learning. Just listen carefully and repeat after me. Speak slowly and clearly. Are you ready to begin? Let's start. Part 1. Morning conversation. Good morning. Good morning. How are you today? How are you today? I am fine, thank you. I am fine, thank you. What about you? What about you? I am doing great. I am doing great. Did you sleep well last night? Did you sleep well last night? Yes, I slept very well. Yes, I slept very well. I feel fresh and energetic. I feel fresh and energetic. Today is a beautiful day. Today is a beautiful day. The sun is shining brightly. The sun is shining brightly. Let's start the day with a smile. Let's start the day with a smile. What is your plan for today? What is your plan for today? I plan to study English. I plan to study English. That's a great idea. That's a great idea. Practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect. Consistency is the key to success. Consistency is the key to success. Part 2. Daily routine. I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. Then I brush my teeth. Then I brush my teeth. After that, I take a shower. After that, I take a shower. I get dressed for the day. I get dressed for the day. I eat my breakfast. I eat my breakfast. I go to work or school. I go to work or school. I start my day with positive thoughts. I start my day with positive thoughts. I practice English every day. I practice English every day. Learning English is fun and useful. Learning English is fun and useful. I review new words daily. I review new words daily. I try to speak English with confidence. I try to speak English with confidence. Part 3. Traveling conversation. Where are you going? Where are you going? I am going to the office. I am going to the office. How do you go to work? How do you go to work? I go by bus. I go by bus. How long does it take? How long does it take? It takes about 30 minutes. It takes about 30 minutes. Is the bus crowded? Is the bus crowded? Yes, it is usually crowded. Yes, it is usually crowded. Have a safe journey. Have a safe journey. Thank you. Thank you. Part 4. At the market. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. How can I help you? How can I help you? I would like to buy some fruits. I would like to buy some fruits. I need apples and bananas. I need apples and bananas. How much are the apples? How much are the apples? Please give me 1 kilo. Please give me 1 kilo. Anything else? Anything else? No, that's all. No, that's all. How much is the total? How much is the total? Here's the money. Here's the money. Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Part 5. Introducing yourself. Hello, hello. What is your name? What is your name? My name is Rahim. My name is Rahim. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from Bangladesh. I am from Bangladesh. How old are you? How old are you? I am 20 years old. I am 20 years old. I am a student. I am a student. I like learning English. I like learning English. English is an international language. English is an international language. Part 6. At a restaurant. Good evening. Good evening. May I take your order? May I take your order? I would like a chicken sandwich. I would like a chicken sandwich. I would like a glass of orange juice. I would like a glass of orange juice. Your order is ready. Your order is ready. Enjoy your meal. Enjoy your meal. The food is delicious. The food is delicious. Could I have the bill, please? Could I have the bill, please? Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Part 7. Evening conversation. Good evening. Good evening. How was your day? How was your day? My day was wonderful. My day was wonderful. I learned many new things today. I learned many new things today. Did you practice English today? Did you practice English today? Yes, I practiced a lot. Yes, I practiced a lot. That's excellent. That's excellent. Practice makes you confident. Practice makes you confident. Confidence leads to success. Confidence leads to success. Part 8. Night conversation. It is time to go home. It is time to go home. Let's have dinner. Let's have dinner. I am feeling tired. I am feeling tired. What did you learn today? What did you learn today? I learned new English sentences. I learned new English sentences. I feel more confident now. I feel more confident now. Keep practicing every day. Keep practicing every day. It is time to sleep. It is time to sleep. Good night. Good night. Sweet dreams. Sweet dreams. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Final motivation. You did a great job today. You did a great job today. Be proud of yourself. Be proud of yourself. Learning English takes time and patience. Learning English takes time and patience. Never give up. Never give up. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. Speak English every day. Speak English every day. Your dreams will come true. Your dreams will come true. Thank you for practicing with me. Thank you for practicing with me. See you in the next lesson. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye and take care. Goodbye and take care.